Want to know how to edit multiple images at the same time in Camera Raw? First, you want to make sure you have Photoshop open and grab some images that you want to edit. Just drag them in. Highlight them all with Ctrl A. And now anything you edit on this one will change on all of them. Another great thing you can do, if you click on an image and then click this trash can, once you close this, it will automatically delete it in the folder. If you want to open both these images, highlight them both and go to Open. Now we have both our images. I thought this might help someone. I've had problems in the past with opening multiple files, and this way you get to edit them all at the same time as well.